OMICRON offers a variety of CMC types depending on your application needs. Our devices differ, for example, in their output power, accuracy, and number of analog outputs. The CMC 356 can be taken as a general example for the CMC connections. The front panel integrates voltage and current generators that may vary depending on the CMC model. The generator combination socket routes three-phase voltages and currents to a single cable for easy wiring. An auxiliary DC source is available to supply power to test objects. 10 binary inputs are also available to measure and assess the response of protection devices, with 4 binary outputs being available to feedback information to the device under test. The rear panel of the CMC includes a USB and Ethernet ports for connection to the PC. The Ethernet ports provide the basis for the processing of substation protocols according to the IEC 61850 standard. The Associate button establishes a connection between the CMC and the controlling PC. Additionally, the external interface permits easy connectivity for meter testing, allows for GPS iRig-B synchronization, and holds 4 additional bounce-free binary outputs. Low-level outputs are included to control external devices like amplifiers. There are different options for controlling the CMC test sets. The Test Universe is a powerful test software suite that comprises several modules, including general-purpose and dedicated modules for specific protection functions and applications. All of them are standalone modules, meaning they can run autonomously. However, the test modules can also be embedded into an OMICRON Control Center document, which allows users to create multifunctional test documents. This makes it simple to test a variety of protection functions within the same document. For instance, the document can contain a variety of modules, like a quick CMC module for the wiring check, distance modules to check the trip times, or state sequencer modules to test the switch-on to fault protection function. The power of OMICRON software comes with the XRIO technology, which stands for Extended Relay Interface by OMICRON. This feature allows the user to customize and compute parameter definitions for use in multiple test modules. Settings such as pickup values can be used as reference for calculations to automatically adapt input parameters to achieve automation within a testing program. These calculations can be as simple or as complex as the user desires. You can create a special custom block defining any parameter name, unit, value, or formula exactly as you know them from the test object. This way, you can import your test object parameters using a filter and link them to the test module input fields. We call this an XRIO converter. Because of the complexity of some protection devices, the task of designing an automated test file can be very difficult. Fortunately, OMICRON can support all CMC users with its library of relay-specific test templates. The PTL, Protection Testing Library. Any customer can benefit from the PTL items that are freely available from the customer area on our website or from your installation DVD. PTL templates are completely open. Therefore, users can adapt a template to exactly match their needs. For special applications, the programming interface CM Engine allows users of CMC test sets to write their own programs. The programs can be created in common programming languages such as C++, Visual Basic, or LabVIEW to effectively interact with the functions of the OMICRON test sets. As an alternative to using the PC for controlling the CMC, the CM Control can also be used. The CM Control is a front panel attachment equipped with an intuitive touchscreen user interface. This attachment is the ideal solution for portability and quick verification of test objects. The CM Control can also be detached from the CMC and used as a handheld control device, or secured to the metal surface of the switchgear panel with powerful magnets contained within the CM Control casing. Take control of the CMC with your Android-operated tablet. Visit the Google Play Store and download our latest application called the CM Control P app. The same test functions of the CM Control are permitted between the tablet and the CMC utilizing a wireless connection. This collection of video tutorials will focus on the Test Universe modules, beginning with the Start page and then going deeper into its different features and applications. But first, an essential rule to keep in mind before attempting to start any test. This will make the life of a test engineer less challenging with regards to creating test files. Allow us to redefine the traditional electrical formula known as Ohm's law. We shall tweak this formula to describe it as Ohm's law according to OMICRON. Ohm now represents test object, hardware configuration, and test module. The test object contains the information of the device under test. The inputs, outputs, and other specific signals are defined in the hardware configuration. Finally, operating the test module is when you perform the test. All this information must be completed